And it's Bonnie. Happy Wednesday! I am back. I am on very late again today. I actually have a good reason. I was actually doing a little bit of volunteer work this morning and I was moving stuff and I realized I am not as young as I used to be. I am feeling it, but I am here. Oh my gosh, you guys. We literally have about 500 products to go over between candles and body care. I think I could do like 10 videos a day and not have a shortage of stuff to review. So I'm going to dig in. We're going to talk about Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte for fall, Bath and Body Works. This is like really good this year. I'm so happy. I feel like the formula is working for me this year. So I'm going to compare it to a previous year. But first, I wanted to pull out, when I was pulling out last year's Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte to do a comparison, I realized, sadly, coconut candy apple, I don't think it's coming back, you guys. A lot of people love coconut candy apple, which was candied red apple, shredded coconut, and vanilla spice. This was a nice one. It was. It was like a nice spicy candy apple with a little coconut in it. A lot of people love this one. I still have the shower gel, by the way. And then the other one I have not seen on the list, but could be coming back as an online exclusive, is Pumpkin Cupcake, which is whipped buttercream, pumpkin spice, and vanilla cake batter. This is a light one, but it's really good. It's just one of those like fall scents you kind of crave. It can work for Christmas too. So I'm hoping maybe it comes back as an online exclusive. I am hearing that Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin will be back as an online in the fall collection. So hopefully we see that soon. It's not fall without Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin, even if you don't wear it all the time. Look at this packaging, by the way. It's a good one. So now we got to talk about Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. So this is the packaging this year. It's actually growing on me. I wasn't sure I loved the cream, but for some reason, I'm kind of digging it now. And then the mist has the leaves on the bottom, and the shower gel, same design there. With the gold, it's a little bit hard to read these labels, I'll have to say. It's funny because when you have all of them together, by the way, I can't find my today weather. I gotta find my mist. They're a little bit hard to read, like if they're on the shelf. I mean, what's kind of nice, what I liked about these labels was, I mean, look at that. From far away, across the room, you know this is coconut candy apple. Whereas this one, you got to kind of get right on it to read it. So that's the only kind of thing. It's like, you can't read the labels too well, especially like if they're in the shower lined up, you kind of got to pick them up. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, it's a staple at Bath & Body Works. It's been around for years and years and years. I actually just found a scrub, a creamy scrub from last year, and I used it last night and I loved it. So this one is Pumpkin Latte, toasted marshmallows, creamy sandalwood, and praline musk. I've always said, if you put praline in a product, it's going to smell amazing. So, this was last year's. I actually like the packaging better this year. I think this is like prettier, classier. I didn't love these like, kind of like polka dot packaging. They were whimsical. So I did a little comparison. So this is last year's. There's a weird note in there. I don't know what it was, but it smells like tart, sour, odd. I did not like last year's Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. This year, however, I feel like they improved it. I really do. This almost smells like moldy when it dries down, like sour, icky milk. Horrible last year. Like, I'm like, I stink, which is not a good thing. This year, I smell that toasty marshmallow note. I smell the sandalwood. It smells really good to me. So, I don't know what happened. Honestly, I don't know if they changed the formula. Did they fix it? But, oh my gosh. I mean, huge difference. Like last year's, I remember it smelled rancid. This year's, it smells really good. So, I don't know what's going on. But, if you're a fan of marshmallow Pumpkin Latte, you're going to want to pick up this year. The cream, I used the cream last night, and same deal. I liked it. I was like, you know what? No icky sour smell. It smells amazing. It gets a nice toasty marshmallow. It's not super strong. I mean, it's never been like a strong scent, but I don't know. I'm kind of digging it. I've always loved it in the shower gel. I mean, the shower, even last year. Oh yeah. You get that toasty marshmallow in the shower gel, and the scrub is amazing. Let me see. I can't remember if we have the scrub this year in the Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. Let me look. I got Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte. I'm not seeing. So we have it in, you know, just the mist, the wash, which is now called body wash, not shower gel. Although I think on the packaging, does it still say shower gel? It still says shower gel, but they're calling it body wash. By the way, I just got body cream on my glasses. Cream and lotion. So there you have it. Marshmallow Pumpkin Latte for the win in 2023. Let me know if you've noticed a difference in the formula, but I'm digging it. Anyway, I will see you in a few. I got more videos tonight. Bye-bye.